So we start off today's video with a hair color transformation. So she decided to go with one of this year's hottest trends, and that is copper colored hair. Her hair looks absolutely gorgeous. This color really just accents her complexion. She looks amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature a variety of hair transformations. Next up, we see the transformation of this beautiful pixie cut. So we have an older woman here, and she is daring to go short. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. This pixie does feature some face framing bangs. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Such a beautiful transformation. Next up, we see someone with long waist-length hair. It looks like she has decided to switch it up with a bob haircut. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Absolutely gorgeous. So she ended up getting more of like a lob haircut style. Absolutely stunning. Definitely more of like a simple, effortless vibe. And then we see someone else who has decided to try out the very popular copper orange trend. So we saw this trend really take off in 2022, and so far for 2023, this trend is really gaining some momentum. So I think it might be around for quite a while. So she also decided to get a bit of a shaggy haircut as well. Beautiful layers. Stunning transformation. Absolutely love it. have another shaggy hairstyle for the next one. She also has a really pretty gray hair color. Very nice. And then we see a curly hair transformation. Like she ended up getting more of like a shaggy curly cut. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And that of course is a very popular hairstyle if you do have curly hair. The shag as a whole is very popular, but we're seeing lots of curly shags this season. So we have some tape-in extensions being added. And the reason why they're adding the tape-in extensions is to add more dimension to the hair. This created a really pretty chunky highlighted look. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous shaggy style, beautiful layers. And then we have a bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous angled bob style. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.